So is this the same Jesus? Are we just talking about the same Jesus? Is the Jesus that so-called originated Christianity, is he just like this? We have some clues that it was. We have a gospel called the Ascension of Isaiah. It's gone through a lot of redactions. Christians kept changing it and adding stuff. The earliest redaction that we can reconstruct from the surviving materials was written sometime in the late 1st, early 2nd century, sometime between the 80s and 130 AD. And in fact, this is the exact same time that the canonical Gospels were being written. So at the same time that the Gospels that are putting Jesus on earth were being written, there's another sect of Christian who were generating their own Gospels at the same time. The Ascension of Isaiah is one of them. The interesting thing about it is this Gospel doesn't have Jesus walking around Galilee. It doesn't have a ministry. Instead, it's the prophet Isaiah has a vision in which God explains how Jesus affects salvation. And in the earliest redaction that we can reconstruct of this, Jesus doesn't go to earth. He descends to the outer space just below the moon, where he is crucified by Satan and his sky demons. And there he's buried and resurrected, and then appears to select followers to send them out as missionaries. Now, that's interesting. So if that's the case, then we know there was a sect of Christians who actually were believing this. So then the question becomes, which sect of Christians, they're coexisting at the same time, which one is closer to the original teaching of the